Ever wondered how to make those awesome YouTube shorts that pop up on your feed? Well, what if I told you you could create them super easily with Canva? No pro skills required. In just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas into a-cartoon videos, or from your phone or computer. Let me show you how to do it. So, hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well. Firstly, in today's video, I will show you the step-by-step how to make a YouTube shorts with Canva. The first step that you have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So firstly, let's know what is Canva. Canva is a super easy design tool that lets you create all sorts of content like graphics, videos, and presentations as well, without needing any fancy design skills. For YouTube Shorts, Canva has pre-made templates and features that help you create a catchy professional looking videos in minutes right from your phone or computer. It's like having a personal design studio at your fingertips. Alright, so let's get started. All you have to do right now is just come back to the top and you have just to sign up to find your account. Here we have my account. So we will find the button of signing up and log in here in the top right. You have just to click over signing up if it's your first time to join canva.com. If you already have an account, you click over login to find your account by adding your email address and your password. Then you get started as soon as possible. It's very easy to sign in up, also to find your account by clicking on over login. We don't have it here by the way because I already have an account. I will just click over home here and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. So all I have to do right now is just click over here to search your content on canvas. You have just to click over YouTube shorts videos because in this video I will show you how you can create your YouTube short videos as well. So here we have a various template as you can see. You have just right now to click over see all here. We have here various templates. You can just select the one you think it's better for you. For example, we have here this one and we have other one. We have here 20,000 templates. So we have here various types and it's different. So you have just to select the one you think it's better as you can see, right? You can just right now to scroll down and you select the one you think it's better, right? So we have a various templates. Right now I will show you an easy step that could help you to select your filters or your category. Right now all I have to do is just click over filters and you have to select the category that you think it's better. The category is related to your template that you want. Sorry. So here we have business first. So about business, we have documents, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes. Then we have here social media such as Instagram posts, Facebook, and other things. Then we have education as well, video. Then we have marketing. Also, we have print products and the style. We have here the theme, language, feature, grade, subject, topic as well, and the price. I will select here the free one and then I will select the color, the white one, because I like the color white and I think it's more better for me and I feel comfortable when I choose it. Alright, so let's just come back here to the video. I will select here the option of YouTube videos. Here we have two YouTube videos first. Then if you scroll down, I will select here free one. Then I will select the color white one as I mentioned before. So I will click over apply right now and you will find various templates. Here you have just to select your template that you think it's better. Alright, I will select for example, let's choosing this one it's better. I will click over customize this template and you will find the page which is this one as you can see. So this is the page of designing your short YouTube or your template. Alright, so you can just right now click over here to see your template if it's good. If it's not good, you can just right now click over here design. In the top left you have just to search for other template. You click over short YouTube videos as you can see and let's search together for a good templates. For example, we have here various templates. You can just select the one you think it's better again. And then also we have here the option of elements. You can just also select here and you search for video short YouTubes. You have just to select here the option of videos and then you search for the template. All right, also if you don't like all this template, you can just go to the uploads and you have just to go to videos and you upload the files after creating your own short videos. All right, so here we have it. You click over upload files and you upload it from your computer. Right here we have it, as you can see. So also we have here the option of recording yourself. Just to click over record yourself, you click over allow again, and you'll find this page. As you can see, you have just to click over record and you get started by recording this template. You have just to add your record. As you can see here, we have here recording. I use OBS, as you can see, and also we have here the seconds. You can hear the lot if you want, and you click over done if you want. And here we have it. As you can see right now, you have just to click over save if you like it. Also we have here exit studio, and I will click exit without saving as well. All right, so here we have how it looks right now with this template. Let's just right now selecting something here. I will just go to the elements and I will select here YouTube logos, because I will add here my channel. All right, I will search for YouTube logos. I will show you what I'm gonna do. I will just click over graphics here, and I will just scroll down. I will select here this one, and then I will just here modify the size for this one. As you can see, I'll put it in the top right, and then I will add my channel here by adding a text or a little bit of body text. Then here we have it. As you can see, I will add it like that, and then I'll modify I will put here the bold one. Then I will modify here for example, I'll put here the black one. It's better for me. Then I'll modify also the size. Here we have it. I will just put it like that. I think this one is better. All right, so right now I will just here add some my channel, as I mentioned before, Mr. Beast, for example. It's just an example, it's not my channel, by the way. So here we have it. As you can see, I'll put this one here. Also, for example, if you did a short videos for your restaurant or something that have a location, you have just to add a location if you want by clicking over elements again, and you have just to delete YouTube and you add the logo that you want. For example, if you want the logo of emails and other things. So for example, also we have here, if you want to add other things like print kit, add your print fonts, magic write as well. Then we have here also font combinations. Then we have here also, if you want to draw something, you have just to select the color that you want. For example, you have various colors. Also, if you did a mistake, you have just to click eraser and you have to delete the mistake that you did. Also, we have here the option of endo to come back. Here we have how it looks, the first look, I mean, for the template. All right, so here we have it. Right now, let's just click in over here in the top right. Here we have how it looks, as you can see. All right, and right now let's just close it, and I will show you how you can right now share this one. And you can just right now click over share, and you select here the option of anyone can access the design using this link, no design required. And here we have it, as you can see right now. Also, you can just copy the link and you share it with your friends, and also you can edit or can comment or can view also. Also we have here download public view link, see all as well. We have here the option how you can share this one, as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.